Hello viewers, welcome to my channel All Things Spiritual. I hope you liked my last video on chakras and I hope you really liked it because today we are going to find out about the root chakra and what are their characteristics. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The chakras of matter. The first three chakras starting at the base of the spine are chakras of matter. They are more physical in nature. We will begin with the first chakra of matter, the root chakra or the Muladhara. The root chakra is named Muladhara in Sanskrit. The root chakra is the first of our energy centers and forms the basis and the starting point of our development. The vital force energy of root chakra begins at conception and continues with life force energy dividing the cells during embryogenesis. The spinal column begins to develop from the bottom, moving up to the top, and then the organ development begins. The root chakra is associated with the first task that we undertake after birth, and that is to determine, do I belong here on earth and in this family system? It is not a conceptual question based on thinking, it is instinctual. The root chakra or the Muladhara is the most instinctual of all chakras. It is your survival center. The primal energy of survival is fight or freeze response and is initiated from the root chakra energy. This is your primal animal nature of survival. This chakra that controls our animal nature and governed by the predominant survival sense of smell than taste. This is the very primitive sensing of the world that a newborn infant engages in, commonly known as rooting, as the baby through its mouth and sense of smell turns her or his head, rooting around and then sensing his or her way to food. Over time, if this primal survival need is met, the infant will move directly to the object without searching, and the infant found his or her first primitive affirmation that he or she does belong to this world and that the survival will be supported. The root chakra or the Muladhara is the chakra of stability, security, and our basic needs. The root chakra is comprised of whatever grounds you to stability in your life. This includes your basic needs such as food, water, shelter, safety, as well as your emotional needs of interconnection and being fearless. When these needs are met, you feel grounded and safe. It is the most important chakra as this is fundamental or Mool chakra. The root chakra is associated with the physical body that includes adrenal glands, colon, kidneys, skeleton bones, muscles, and arterial blood that flows through the left chamber of the heart, carrying oxygen and nutrients to our body tissue. The root chakra provides the links between our energetic system and the physical world and is our base of our life force energy. It gives us motivation to eat, sleep, and procreate. When it comes to psychological and spiritual nature, it helps us develop our personal integrity, self-esteem, and sense of belonging. The energies of the root chakra help us feel grounded and connected to this earth, giving us a place of our life to take root and for the flow of energies to propel us forward in our life journey. When these energies are stuck, stagnant, imbalanced, or blocked, our vitality and zest for life is also compromised. This can happen when our sense of belonging in the world is threatened in some way or is experienced as traumatic, leaving us feeling deep deep sense of insecurity. The imbalance of life force energy in the root chakra can leave us feeling restless or experiencing a lack of energy, which may be expressed as anxiety, worry, panic, depression, frustration, resentment, anger, rage, or having no interest in the world or in our own survival. We may also experience symptoms such as being threatened, chronically feel as if we don't fit in or belong, and experience insecurity and low self esteem. Mental signs is poor focus, disorganized pessimism, negative thinking about life, and narrow thinking. However, when the root chakra is balanced and the energy is flowing freely, it helps us increase the sense of belonging, feeling secure in our actions and choices, and have the ability to hold an increased sense of self-worth. Mental improved concentration, persistent, clear thinking, ability to set goals, ability to prioritize, emotional, passion, love, excitement, and determination. The journey to heal trauma, psychological wounds held in root chakra is facilitated by deeper work with psychotherapy, specific yoga asanas, tai chi, and movement meditation that removes stagnant accumulated emotional energies. The energy of root chakra allows us to harness courage, resourcefulness, and the will to live during challenging times. Root chakra connects us with spiritual energies of our ancestors and our ancestors' challenges and triumphs. Since root chakra carries our ancestral memories, basically everyone experiences challenges or imbalances with root chakra. War, famine, natural disasters, and any events that threaten us or our basic survival are all recorded within energies of the root chakra. These memories are imprinted in the subtle body, the life energy, and are passed down from generation to generation, creating unconscious generational patterns. It is our work to take responsibility of our own lives and bring to light that which is unconscious and or latent. The karmas of our past lives and the current life karma, like seeds, also rest in the energy field of the root chakra. The seeds that are planted lay dormant or latent, but when the conditions are met, the seeds' energies will manifest, present, arise in many forms: mental, emotional, psychological, physical, and spiritual. From every thought, intention, or act that we perform or have performed, a seed is sown in the root chakra and will sooner or later rise into the light. In each lifetime, we have planted innumerable seeds. The first of the 7 energy centers, the Mooladhara or the root, is also the most dense of the 7 chakras. The main color of the chakra is red, which is also the densest color of all chakra colors. Red is the slowest of all wavelengths within the visible spectrum, yet it is the most stimulating color. It puts the retina forward, so all our energy and attention is focused outward. This is why we use red color at the stop lights or stop signs. The root chakra color commands attention. It signals danger to us. We act immediately. The red is the color of life force. It is the color of the blood and the first color that we come into contact when we were born. Red means energy and our connection with the earth and carries the promise of survival. The mantra, the seed mantra for the Mooladhara chakra is Lam, the sound of spiritual awakening. It releases tensions and removes blockages in this chakra and activates its energy, and so the process of awakening the dormant powers within us and raising them into consciousness begins. Beautiful and healing experiences, together with happy moments, emerge from the past, giving us strength and inspiration to continue on our path. But together with the pleasant experiences, we can also go through painful feelings in the Muladhara Chakra. Buried hurts, unprocessed emotional traumas, and disappointments that are deeply etched in our are most likely looking at the branches when it's the roots that you need to be looking at. All you need to do is concentrate your energies on the present and direct them to your root chakra. Try doing these, that will help you to open your root chakra and experience the big change in you. The root chakra is the first of the chakras that matter. Maintaining the balance of the root chakra builds a solid foundation for opening the other chakras. It's just like laying a foundation of a house in which you plan to live for a long time. You need a solid foundation to be embedded deeply and firmly in the soil that will give the physical stability and security that your house needs. When the base is strong, you don't need to worry about structures collapsing during the harshest conditions. You can create a home that you can fill with the love and happiness for many years to come. The root chakra is made up of whatever grounds you to stability, security, and permanence. This includes your basic needs such as water, food, shelter, safety, as well as emotional needs like letting go of your fears. The root chakra is the thought of as a provider of energy to the other chakras. If it's blocked or unbalanced, the rest of chakras are probably blocked and unbalanced as well. The balanced root chakra is essentially having to open the healthy chakra system. Begin to feel self-assured, secure, and physically alive as you tap into your own sustainable energy through the balanced root chakra. When the root chakra is aligned, you will find peace. You will feel comfortable, stable, and relaxed in your life. A well-balanced root chakra will also give you a sense of safety that needs you to explore and try out new things. Be warned, because the root chakra can quickly become misaligned or blocked when something in your life does not feel secure. If something has got you worried, like money or bills, this is a direct impact on your root chakra. Even if the problem is imaginary, it still could disrupt the flow of energy of this chakra. What are your thoughts about the root chakra? Are you grounded or are you insecure in the world? Please do let me know in the comment section below. Also, thanks a lot for listening to my video. I hope you liked it. If so, please click the like button. Please do also let me know if you have any further questions regarding the chakras and post them in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.